All right, this is the deep dive, I promise, part 2, and we're going to be reviewing Canva's Magic Media tool again today. That's images, graphics, and videos all in one spot, all by AI. Stay tuned. Imagine creating eye-catching content for your brand in minutes, even something as cute as a fluffy white little dog video. Stick around because this tool is going to make it possible for you. Let's get started. First, we're going to choose our template. That's going to be Instagram Reel. Okay, that's going to be our template. That's a 9x16. You can also use this for a YouTube short. Now we're going to go over here, click the drop down. We're looking for Magic Media. Once you find Magic Media, you're going to click on that. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a video. So we're going to click video, and I'm just going to put a description in. I want a cute little fluffy white dog eating from its doggy ball. I type this in here, and then as I type it in, we're going to wait for it to generate the video. All right, we have our video generating here. It's a kind of a funny looking little puppy, but it's a puppy nonetheless, cute and fluffy and white, just like I asked, eating from its little doggy bowl. How cute. All right, now what you're gonna see, I'm gonna click on the image. Once I click on the image, I'm gonna right click, go all the way down, set video as background so it fills up my little 9x16 frame, and let's take a look. Pretty cool. All right, now also I'm going to add an additional page here. You'll see in a minute. I would like to add an additional image, and in order to do that, I'm just going to come over to the left here. I'm going to click on images right down here. Once I click on images, I would love to see another image of a cute fluffy white dog. Choose this little cute image right here. Again, I'm just going to click on it. It's going to appear on my template. I'm going to right click and set image as background, and there you have it. Now let's see it all together.